Good morning, good afternoon, rail fans. It is Wednesday, just about noon, a little bit before noon, and I am standing here at South Ackerville on Hillside Road, trying to catch CN8300, which is a SD75iACC or AICC or something like that. It's one of the first of 50 rebuilt SD75s. And I've tried to catch this train multiple times as it came through the area, but once it came through in the dark, once it came through and it was raining, and now it's coming through and sitting not far from me, but just out of view. And so I hope to catch it, and well, for myself and for all of you. Granted, so this is a CN painted locomotive, so if you didn't know what you're looking at, you probably wouldn't care. And quite frankly, it's not super exciting other than it's super clean, and I figure this is a class leading locomotive, meaning that being number 8300, all of the other rebuilds should be 8301, 8302 or something like that. So, the first of a new batch of new locomotives, and with winter just around the corner, I figure these locomotives aren't going to be clean much longer. So, something kind of cool to look at. And there is a northbound coming. I'm not sure what it is yet, so I'll probably catch the power on that, and then we will head over to watching CN8300 climb out of the hole here at Ackerville. Have a great day. Rugby Junction signing off.